Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. We're kicking off our countdown to release day, July 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. We have an awesome modern fairy tale theme going on, so you'll see throughout the days leading up to release day what we have in store for you. Today I'm sharing the Junior Box of the Month. We have a mermaid theme, so we have a beautiful 6x6 paper pad, an ephemera pack, a 6x6 stamp set, and a brand new A2 size card front pack to share today. You'll find all of these products in your Junior Box of the Month. I'll have spots open starting July 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. If you choose monthly, you'll get an 18% off discount. You'll see that in your cart. You'll also get a juicy discount to shop with all month long. That will be in your package, so be sure to check out the insert for your coupon code. You'll get your box delivered every 30 days from the date you purchased. Treat yourself to a specially curated box. So everything is made to coordinate together so you can easily grab your supplies and start creating. So let's take a look at the stamp set. This is called Mermaid Magic. We have some really cute mermaids. We have some fish, a crab, some underwater items to create a beautiful underwater scene. We have sentiments, you're a treasure. Hello friend, thinking of you. You're fantastic. Mermaid kisses. See you soon. Just keep swimming. And shell, yeah. So how cute is that? So I hope you guys have fun coloring. We have the Mermaid Dreams paper pad, 6x6. You get 4 of each design. We have some lovely purples and greens in this pattern paper. Some beautiful seaweed there. On the back we have a really cute plaid with that purple and green. We have some bubbles in this beautiful teal color. Some pretty seaweed with flowers. Some more seaweed and coral, and some green and purple. Ooh, I love this beautiful mermaid scaled paper. That is gorgeous. We have some coral in this really pretty pink, dark pink color. We have some starfish patterns here. I love this pattern here. It reminds me of the ocean waves. Super pretty. And here's another beautiful mermaid scaled pattern in this green. It still has some purple, but it's more of a green. And then more seaweed in green. What a pretty paper pad. We have Mermaid Dreams that go perfectly with your paper pad.
Saturday morning, coffee in hand, cutting up paper, got a big plan. Pulling out stamps, picking a theme, my craft room's buzzing like a dream. Patterns and colors all laid out, glitter and glue without a doubt. My scissors snip, my die cut spin, let the card making fun begin. Card maker's gonna make with a paper pad and shake. Add a bow, a gem, a dot, crafting magic on the spot. Stamp it once, emboss it twice, throw in sparkle, make it nice. From the heart, handmade and true, that's what card makers.
Okay, so there's all the really super cute ephemera pieces. Have fun creating little scenes and clusters. You also do get the A2 card fronts storybook royalty. This will also be listed individually in the shop. On the back, you get some sentiments, that you can trim out with your Teresa's One and Done die. This is also available in the shop. It has some stitching, some flag banners. You'll line this up and then add a little bit of washi before you run it through so it doesn't shift on you. And you'll have some beautiful printed sentiments ready to go. So we've got some sentiments that say a little magic goes a long way. Happily ever after begins today. Believe in your own fairy tale. Stay kind, stay brave, stay royal. Crowned with strength and kindness. A princess shines from within. Elegance is her power. Sparkle like a story untold. Bloom where your story begins. Write your own happily ever after, and forever starts with you. Okay, so you get some really cute designs in here. You get 2 of each. The back is blank. I love using these just to make a quick card, add a sentiment. You can dress these up, ink the edges, cut them out with some background dies. Use them in your mini album or your junk journal. Use them as covers. So many ideas to use these. So you get some really fun storybook designs in here. Really cute to make some cards for anyone who loves fairy tales. I have 4 more A2 card sketches for you. I'll be sending this out in my July 1st newsletter. If you're not already subscribed to my emails, the link is down below. You can download that and create some cards using the sketches. So I have all my pieces so far. I'm going to be doing this sketch number 4 right here with the little flag. I decided to layer up my flag so I have like a purple border. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that together. I'll also have a link down below to our wait list. If you haven't seen the post yet announcing what's coming this fall, we will be doing our Autumn Greetings virtual retreat, and we're so excited, guys. We cannot wait to give you more details. So that link to the wait list will be down below in the description box. You'll be the first to know when registration starts. I'm also going to stamp a sentiment right here on my circle. I trimmed this piece 2 inches wide. I'm just going to add that to the ends here. Let me add some glue to the back of this. Somehow this got glued down. I'm going to take a look in my stash and see what color peel-off sticker I can use right here to break up these 2 patterns. I do have this color. This would look really fun. Okay, so before I add this, I want to stamp out a sentiment. I'm thinking about using the mermaid in the tub. So I thought I would use Your Fin-tastic, since we could see her fin. So I think I might round it to follow the curvature of this scalloped circle. So I'm just going to, first I'm going to center it, pick it up, and then I'm going to maneuver this in the middle here. Okay, I think that will be pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to glue that right about there. Okay, now let's see where our image will look the best. So I could have it right in the center. That looks pretty cute. The sketch has it off to the side, but since I think I rounded my sentiment, I think it looks best right there. And then we can add some bubbles. There's some bigger bubbles or smaller bubbles, so let's see which one we like better with this. There's a cell phone. So I think I'm going to do this layout here. We'll pop up the bubbles and we'll place our girl right here. I think I'm going to pop her up.
Walked in the store just to take a peek. Next thing I knew, I've been here all week. Glitter in my hair, ink on my face. No more storage, but I'll find some space. Scissors are missing. Oh wait, they're right here. I just bought more paper, but let's be clear. Just one.
That looks pretty cute. Let's see, I'm not sure if I want to add the other bubbles. I think that is pretty cute, just like that. And in the sketch, there's 3 little enamel dots here at the bottom. So let's go ahead and do that. From the Hello July set, I'm going to use either the white or the creamy color. Let's see which one looks better. I'm going to use the creamy color here.
Markers, washi stamps all in a row. This ain't a mess, it's a creative flow.
And for this little sketch, I think it would be super cute to add some Nouveau crystal glaze and shine up the bubbles. Glitter would also look really cute.
If I don't answer, I'm at the craft store.
And then I'm going to do that in her bubble bath here.
One more die. Don't ask me why. I don't have to justify. Markers, washi stamps, all in a row.
And some glitter would look really cute in there in the bubble bath. Okay, so that completes today's card. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you're excited about July's release. I can't wait to reveal tomorrow's peek, and tomorrow will be the full box of the month. I will share that, and then we will do the Paper Pad Club on day 3, and then we'll have release day on July 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. I'll also be doing a live release day party at 10 a.m. on the 1st, so I hope to see you there as well. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys!